tailgate, going for a run. We'll go park? That's right. Let's go.
Too close there. Let's go back up right there. How about that? Can you see the microphone? Some hair hanging off my microphone. It's a little strange, a little weird. Alright. Okay. Anything on my face? Does look good? Alright. Been a little while. I haven't done one of these sit downs since my last video 2 weeks ago. I haven't been creating a lot. I've been busy, man. I've been actually like working, doing this film stuff. Big stuff coming up. Some big news coming in the future. Next couple weeks, should be releasing that. Next weekend, Jamie and I are going to Bolinas. It's a little town above San Francisco, Stinson Beach area. Gonna be really cool for her 29th birthday. Don't tell her I told you. I just had my birthday this last weekend. Didn't do any video. Worked all weekend on video, not my own stuff. But that's fine. Yeah, that's what I'm choosing to do. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy it. I think we're going down that road. Hopefully you liked the little park. Did some like retro type like VCR. I'm really into that like retro VCR look right now. I don't know why, like the actual like tapes type stuff. It's just fun to do something like this. Yeah, see how old and like retro this looks? It's kind of cool. And then we'll switch back. Yeah, so that's just fun. It's kind of neat. I'm shooting in a log, an S-Log2 right now. For the people that don't understand what log profiles are, it's a very flat profile. This is what the flat profile actually looks like before it's color graded. Yeah, see how flat and like disgusting this looks? There's no like color really. I mean, you can see like some color in the background on the skateboards over here, but it's not like deep and rich and beautiful color. So we'll switch back. So that's a log profile. I'm shooting an S-Log2. It's a Sony profile. There's S-Log2 and S-Log3. S-Log2 I've found has been a little easier to work with. So there's these things called LUTs, and a LUT is a color profile. Well, you know, let's just have Google explain it. It might be a little easier. Hey Google, what is a LUT?
According to Premium Beat, a LUT is essentially the modifier between two images, the original image and the displayed image, based on a mathematical formula.
So that's kind of technical. I don't know if I would have gone down that road, but yeah, so a lot of people just call LUT like a color grade, just a profile they put over it. Look at it like your Instagram filter. That's the way I would best describe it. You put a filter over your Instagram picture. Basically, that's a LUT. It's a color profile. It's a lookup table telling it what colors to make what, and then it does all that for you. So it's kind of neat. That's how like big movies do it. I'm not saying I'm trying to be a big movie or anything, but I'm definitely trying to up the quality of my stuff. So all the beginning of this video was all GoPro. Just broke out the GoPro this morning, messing around with it just for fun. Haven't been able to really be as creative as I want to in the last couple weeks, mainly just because of busyness and trying to figure out a lot of stuff right now, but that's just on me. So yeah, having fun with it. Expect some new cool content coming up in the future pretty soon here that I'm excited about. You know, Bolinas will be a lot of fun. Kind of Jamie's and my birthday combined away from the area that we live in. I do love getting out of town, so that's this next weekend. Yeah, so if you have any questions for me or anything going on, make sure to write those in the comments down below. I'm gonna finish this video up with just Jamie and I walking to get coffee and then just ending it out from there. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy, just kind of an update video just to have some fun and talk about color grading a little bit. Maybe if you guys like the color grading stuff in the future, I'll do some color grading videos maybe. So I don't know, like I try a lot of different stuff. All of my videos look different because I try so many different types of color grades and LUTs, and it sounds like I'm saying sluts. It's not sluts. So sluts and LUTs are two different things. I'll leave the descriptions of each of those here and here, so you guys can kind of see what those are. We want to go with the LUTs over here, so not the sluts. That's bad. Push those away. Okay, so anything else going on? No? Cool. So we'll just, we got this fancy remote over here. I got this new light. It's called aperture light. It's amazing. I'll do a video on that thing too. I'm trying to get all professional up in here, but like watch this. It's all dark. It's all light. It's all dark. See, that's definitely fun to do. I can do that all day and control how bright it gets. So this is the lowest it goes right here. And this is gonna really like overexpose my camera, but this is how bright it goes. It's like the sun. It's literally like the sun in my eyes right now. It's so bright. All right, so that's all we have for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.